I'm Spencer Davis. I'm a quality control inspector for hydro and side frames departments at AXH Air Coolers in Claremore, Oklahoma. I grew up in Owasso. In high school, I ran track and cross country. I was never one of those people who was super drawn towards a specific occupation. I thought for a while that being an architect would be cool. It's technical and hands-on with some cool aspects to it. I thought about how I made something, I created something. And this kind of ties in because I have the ability to control how this goes out the door and the way it's put together. My plan was to go to RSU for my associates and then go to a bigger school. And I started here picking out trash on night shift. And I did that for about a year and a half and then went to crating until I was approached by my supervisor about coming to quality control. And so I pursued that and have been doing that change ever since. I have got some certifications since I started doing quality, like mag particle and penetrant testing, but I was trained on site. I think to be successful in manufacturing, someone needs a good eye for detail, make sure that things are done right. With doing quality control, you learn a lot about the process, how the actual coolers are made, how they're put together, and so it puts you in a good position to do a lot of things around the company. I would encourage someone else to get involved in manufacturing simply because college isn't for everyone. It's not something that you have to do.